Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 lagging. If you want to fix it, click here, type enable Xbox game bar, turn off Xbox game bar, and then go back, go to GeForce Experience, and then go to settings, scroll down, enable image scaling, and then go to home, and after that just scroll down until you find FIFA 23, and let's take Tekken 7 as an example. Let's say that this is FIFA 23. When you find it, click details, and then click this icon, and after that you will find optimize for performance and quality. You will need to move it to performance, just as you like that, something like that, and then click apply. If that doesn't fix it, just come back here and move it again, and that's it, and click apply, and always launch it from GeForce Experience launch, and that's it. After that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.